You can also bring up a camera in full screen view by selecting View 1 for full screen and then selecting the camera number. And then you can also use digital zoom to zoom in. So this is an example of what is digital zoom. I have not moved the optical lens on the camera. I've simply just magnified the current picture. So this is still a digital magnification. Whereas optical zoom, using the physical zoom lens on the camera lets you zoom in. This is done while you're viewing the camera live. You cannot do this once the video has already been recorded. Combining optical and digital zoom together gives you more magnification power. And in this case, we can actually read some of the text here. This camera happens to be mounted about 5.5 feet above this table. And this is to give you an idea of how much resolution and magnification combined from an optical zoom lens are handy in monitoring close detail. So if you imagine this was a cash register, this 4 megapixel camera would allow you to zoom in and get a finer point of view on the cash drawer. In this case, we use it situated above our ship out desk to make sure order errors don't occur. Thanks for watching.